wood.
It's heavy, isn't it? Yeah, it is wood. That's right. It's the inside of a tree is wood. Right? That's where the wood comes from.
Can everybody try to hold it? I can lift it. I lifted it. I lifted it too.
Some kinds of wood can be pretty heavy.
Is it light or heavy?
Heavy.
Heavy? Ugh.
Not me.
You don't want to lift it, man?
I lifted it.
Did you?
So, yeah. Look, use your eyes. Can you use your eyes? You got your looking eyes on?
Let's get this
Zoom
done.
in. And I want you to look inside the tree. What things do you see in there?
Crack.
There's a crack. What else do you see?
Stripes.
Stripes. Yep, stripes going this way.
I see a little
Do you see
yellow.
stripes going this way?
They look like bees and it's yellow. Wait, I see.
It's yellow.
I feel. This is called a stump.
Yeah, a stump is a cut tree.
And those are. This looks like a. This is a circle and it's.
Yeah, can you see the circles? The rings that go around and around and around and around and around. Well, you know what those are?
What?
Those are birthday rings. Those are birthday rings. When a tree is very, very small, it's very skinny. So when this tree was a little baby, it had just one little birthday ring. And every year, when it grew a little bit taller, it grew a little bit wider. And it got another birthday ring. So every ring that you see is one birthday for this tree. And if you counted all of them from the middle all the way out to the very last ring, you would know how old this tree was when it got cut down.
I went